Buenas tardes.
These kids are getting even bigger.
Y esos niños son aún más grandes.
I have had most of these students in my class for at least 4 years.
Yo he tenido la mayoría de esos niños en mi clase por 4 años.
They are my babies.
Son mis bebés.
This year we've been learning a lot in our United States history
Hemos
class
estado aprendiendo mucho en nuestra clase de historia de los Estados Unidos este año
about the war between the North and the South called the Civil War.
acerca de la guerra entre el norte y el sur, la guerra civil.
Gettysburg was one of the battles in that war where thousands and thousands of soldiers died.
Gettysburg era uno de esos lugares de guerra donde miles y miles de hombres murieron.
So the place was called Gettysburg, and they made a cemetery out of it.
Entonces ese lugar se llama Gettysburg y hicieron el cementerio de ese lugar para enterrar a los que habían muerto en esa guerra.
And at the ceremony where they dedicated the land,
Y en la ceremonia donde dedicaron la tierra,
President Abraham Lincoln gave the following speech.
el presidente Abraham Lincoln dio este discurso.
It is called the Gettysburg Address.
Se llama el discurso de Gettysburg. You want to tell them that it's in their pamphlet?
The Spanish translation is in your book, your blue
Y
booklet.
en tu librito, en la traducción en español está ahí.
Fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
Now we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation or any nation so conceived and so dedicated can long endure.
We are met on the great battlefield of that war. We have come to dedicate a portion of that field as a final resting place for those who here gave their life so that that nation might live.
It is altogether fitting and proper that we should do this. But in a larger sense, we cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground.
The brave men, living and dead, who struggled here have consecrated it, far above our poor power to add or detract. The world will little know, nor long remember what we say here, but it can never forget what they did here.
It is for us the living rather, to be dedicated here to the unfinished work which they who fought here have thus so far nobly advanced. It is rather for us to be dedicated here to these great tasks remaining before us.
That from these honored dead we take increased devotion to that cause for which they gave the last word of devotion. That we here highly resolve that these dead shall not have died in vain.
That this nation, under God, shall have a new birth of freedom, and that government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth.
The students will now recite a short poem based on Psalm 8 in French.
Ahora van a decir una poema basado sobre Salmos 8 en francés.
Psalm 8. Les âmes sont si petites, Seigneur, devant le ciel immense, devant la lune et les étoiles, si petites devant toi. Mais toi, tu les mets au-dessus de tout, au-dessus des bêtes des champs, des oiseaux du ciel et des poissons de la mer. Psalm 8.
All right, Christian Character Awards.
Certificado Carácter Cristiano.
Caitlin gets the Christian Character Award of Creative.
La Carácter Cristiano en Creatividad.
This is not necessarily creative as in art, but as in ways of figuring out a math problem and all kinds of interesting ideas.
Eso realmente no es la creatividad en arte, pero en las matemáticas, cómo llegar a la respuesta correcta.
And Annalisa has the Christian Character Award of Joyful.
Gozo. Gozoso.
Annalisa's always bubbly.
Annalisa siempre está contenta.
And Rebecca receives the Christian Character Award of Giving.
Rebeca de la generosidad.
Rebecca is generous and she's always caring for others.
Ella es generosa y siempre hace cuidado de otros.
Sophie receives the Award of Rejoicing.
Sophie tiene el certificado de regocijando.
For Sophie, life is one big adventure and she's always happy and excited.
Para Sophie la vida es una aventura y siempre está contenta y animada.
Adrian, the Christian Character Award of Honesty.
Para Adrián, honestidad.
He just is. He's an honest young man.
Eres honesto, un joven honesto.
David receives the Award of Peaceful.
David recibe de cada posición de paz.
David is a peaceful influence in our classroom.
David trae la influencia de paz a nuestro salón.
Jamie receives the Christian Character Award of Caring.
Jenny es cariñosa.
Jenny always cares for her fellow classmates.
Siempre está tomando cuidado de los alumnos alrededor de ella.
And Melissa receives the Character Award of Kindness.
Para Melissa es amable.
Melissa is a friend to everyone and makes sure everyone is included.
Melissa es un amigo para todos y ella se asegura que todos están incluidos.
So they are an awesome bunch.
Son unos estudiantes increíbles. Good job, that's good.